In this video, I'll show you how to improve both performance and battery life on an older iPhone. If you're using an iPhone like the 15, 14, 13, 12, or even an iPhone SE, these settings can make a big difference as your phone starts to age. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your iPhone and go to Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. This gives you a baseline of where your battery stands. Look at maximum capacity. Ideally, this should be around 85% or higher. Apple estimates about a 1% drop per month, and once your battery reaches around 80%, that's usually a good time to consider replacing it. If it's already below that, a battery replacement can instantly improve both battery life and performance. But even if it's not, there's still a lot we can do. Go back to battery. If you see adaptive power, turn it on. This is a newer feature that helps your iPhone manage power in real time based on how you're using it, which can noticeably improve battery life throughout the day. Next, check your charge limit. Instead of charging to 100%, I recommend setting this to around 90%. Charging lithium-ion batteries to full capacity all the time actually speeds up battery degradation. Limiting it to 90% helps preserve battery health long term, even if it sounds counterintuitive. Now let's stop some hidden battery drain. Go back to Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh. If this is enabled, apps can refresh in the background even when you're not using them, constantly draining your battery. I recommend turning Background App Refresh off, or at least disabling it for apps you don't need running in the background. Next, go back and tap Display and Brightness. If Always On Display is turned on, your screen is technically never fully off, which drains battery all day. Unless you absolutely love this feature, turn Always On Display off. Now let's check location services, another major battery drain. Go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Any app with a small arrow has recently used your location, which uses battery by constantly checking GPS. For apps you don't really need tracking your location, change the setting to while using the app or never. Avoid using Always unless it's absolutely necessary. Scroll all the way down and tap System Services. Many of these track your location in the background. I recommend turning off anything you don't personally find useful, as these can quietly drain your battery over time. Now let's talk about performance. Go back to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Check how much free space you have. If your phone is almost full, performance will suffer. If you're low on space, scroll through the apps list. Instead of sorting by size, sort by last used date. Scroll toward the bottom and consider deleting apps you haven't used in a long time. Freeing up storage can significantly improve how fast your iPhone runs. Next, go back to Settings and tap Accessibility. Tap Motion, then turn Reduce Motion on. This disables unnecessary animations and visual effects that use processing power. On older iPhones, this can make the phone feel faster and also help save battery. One last thing to think about is software updates. Go back to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. New iOS versions bring features and security updates, but they're often optimized for newer iPhones. Before updating, it's a good idea to research how the latest iOS version performs on your specific iPhone model. Sometimes staying one version behind can actually improve performance on older devices. And finally, something most people never do, restart your iPhone regularly. Turning your phone completely off and back on once every few days or at least once a week clears background processes and prevents hidden battery drain. If this video helped you improve your iPhone's performance or battery life, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it. We're a new YouTube channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.